Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and I want to show you how to do open leg rocker and rolling like a ball on your spine corrector. So open leg rocker and rolling like a ball are very easy exercises to kind of collapse in and think that it comes from your head or your arms or your legs, but it really just comes from your center. So you get on your spine corrector and it really gets you super honest. All you have to do is set up for your rolling like a ball, and then you're already kind of back, right? So now you have to kind of pull yourself forward. And then if you go too much with your legs, you'll fall forward. So you really want to find that tension or opposition between your arms connected to your back, pressing on your shins, and your legs coming from your seat, pushing into your hands. And you just rock. And I know it looks like the biggest movement in the world, but you're doing it, you just do it from your stomach. So I kind of feel like I'm pulling my stomach back and then pull it back more to come forward. And what you don't want to see is you kind of get back there and you slide. So it's pretty hard to show a bad version, but let me see if I can. So see how I kind of just keep sliding off of the thing? That would be wrong. You want it to just be like a little, like you're just bobbing in the water, back and forth. You'll feel the abs here. It's pretty fun. Open leg rocker, same thing. So you can't go too far forward with those legs, right? Because they'll just knock you back and forth. But if you do this from your stomach, then what takes you back and what takes you forward is your center, which is so nice. It's so much better than, okay, now I'm going to use my legs. Right, now I'm going to use my head. Now I'm going to use my legs. You just go, oh, it all comes from the stomach, pulling in. Cool. Now you try it. Let me know how it feels in the comments below, and then get on your mat and do your rolling like a ball and your open leg rocker there. See if you could take what you learned in that position. All right. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, that's what the comments are for. And you can see our spine corrector tutorials on onlinepilatesclasses.com. Just go to the free tutorials, and there's a whole playlist right there. I'll see you next time.